Let us begin. TADA-DADA.
Hello everyone, welcome to the TADA-DADA Art Club, the only place where we make drawing and painting easy for anyone who wants to learn. So let us begin with TADA-DADA.
Today we're gonna learn the thumbprint, and with the thumbprint we're gonna make a various things. I'm gonna show you the one of the trick which if you want to make a bunch of trees, how you can easily make it with your thumbprint. So let's start. So here on my thumb I'm just painting the first was the yellow color. So your color should be little thick so you get the impression of your thumb. You can see the small lines here. That is what I'm gonna make the thumbprint. So let's start with the first is the yellow, and from the left I'm starting here. So I made this first impression here is this way. So this is the first impression of my thumbprint. Wow, so looking nice. Moving forward again I'll take a little more color and I'll apply more on my thumb. It is very fun. It's too much of fun while doing this. So I'm assuming this there is 2-3 more trees gonna come here. So keeping in this mind, I'm just taking this thumb, the same yellow with here. See, that is also looking nice. Very good. Now you wash your brush and your thumb. With the thumb you can use your other fingers also, like middle fingers, index fingers, whichever you feel nice. It should be get a little impression of your skin. Next color I'm gonna choose is the green one. So for that green one I'm just using this green, applying the green color on my thumb. And I'm gonna take one impression here, I have a little up, so I can show that is the biggest tree is here. Next one, the next color what I choose is the red one, but for that I'm not using the thumb, but I'm using my middle finger. Okay, this is done on the print. I feel it is little a wet color, so I just remove excess color with the brush. And now here I'm gonna make a one print with my middle finger. This way it become one of these tree. Again I'm taking another color, but that is also in my index finger, which is the yellow walker color, more toward the brown. This is, I guess, it's a perfect color. It is little thick, so I'm hoping I'll get the good impression of this color. So I'm gonna make a print here. You see that I'm not keeping all the thumbs in the same angle straight. I'm just keeping little cross each other so it look nice. So our work with the fingers is done. Now I'll take my pencil to make a little arc, like a small mountain. With all trees are on the mountain, it will look good. So I'm just making this mark, and here I'm just making this tree standing the way it is. So this way I mark. Now I'll use a black marker, or I can use the brush, a small brush with the black color. I guess I'm using the black marker, which is very much comfortable. Using it you guys also. So first I'll make this line. is the ground or the small mountain is ready. Here I'm going to use something different, so which is like I'm just going to make this tree. First I'll make this is the main branch of this tree. From here I'll remove some lines. This way. So this tree is, first tree is done. I'm moving for the next one. Here I'm going to make little difference in this, which is I'm going to make exactly a straight line. It is a little thin in the upper side and a little thick on the ground, toward the ground. And on this now I'm just gonna make a shape, a V. So you get a nice different pattern for the tree. So it's looking cute and you're getting a various types of the trees, right? A nice designs also. Moving forward, I'm just gonna make this tree is something little different, which is like I'm gonna show the two branches from here itself. And little curve in this. So this is done. Okay, going forward, this again I'm gonna make similar to this, but in this I'm going to use first of all the main straight line. And from here I'm just going to make some curves going outward. See, this is another pattern what we got. It's a lovely yellow tree. Going forward, next is the last tree what we have. What we can do for this? Let me think little bit. Okay. What we can do is that we can show him like little curve. So I'm gonna make little curve in this way. One of these branch is like this, and rest of the things I'm just gonna make design of a round like this. See, isn't it cute? A trees with your thumbs or the fingers. To make more interesting, here I'm just gonna make a grass. It's like I'm taking a green color, I'm just spreading on this. So you get a good grass mountain. And for the more simplicity, I'm gonna make a cloud. And the clouds also is very simple. I'm just gonna make some. Oh, sorry, there's a less water. So I'm going to make this is the cloud. This way you can make this cloud. So it's very simple and easy, isn't it? I hope you enjoyed this video and definitely you will like and share it.
To learn more such enjoyable drawing, do not forget to subscribe our channel TADA-DADA Art Club, and you can like and share our videos. Bye friends, we'll see you soon with more such fun drawings. Keep practicing. Enjoy!